First is the rice, vinegar, sugar, cucumber, mango, crab stick, and seaweed wrap. First step, mix the cooked rice. Put some vinegar, mix, and put some sugar. Then mix it well. Then set aside. Second step is slice the cucumber, and the mango. Third step, place the seaweed wrapper. Then spread short grain of rice on seaweed. Don't use too much rice and avoid spreading on ends of seaweed for easier rolling. Step, add preferred ingredients such as cucumber, mango, and the crab stick.
Yes.
If you don't have a rolling mat, using just enough pressure, roll the seaweed using your hand. And the last step is slice it to a bite size